Welcome to our channel, where love, connection, and inspiration intertwine. If you're seeking guidance, wisdom, and heartwarming stories on the beautiful journey of love, you've come to the right place. We invite you to join our community and embark on a transformative experience that will nourish your soul and ignite the flames of love within your heart. From timeless classics to contemporary tales, we delve into the depths of human emotions, exploring the complexities of relationships, the power of connection, and the resilience of love. Each video is crafted with care and thoughtfulness, designed to enrich your understanding of love and empower you to create deeper, more meaningful connections in your own life. Whether you're a hopeless romantic, a believer in soulmates, or simply curious about the intricacies of human connection, our channel is a sanctuary where you can find solace, inspiration, and practical insights to navigate the beautiful labyrinth of love. Subscribe now and let the journey begin. 1. Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. A classic tale of societal expectations, misunderstandings, and the transformative power of love. 2. Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare's tragic masterpiece about two young lovers from feuding families, showcasing the intensity and passion of forbidden love. 3. Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. A Gothic romance that follows the journey of an independent and resilient young woman seeking love and acceptance. 4. Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. A dark and tumultuous tale of love, obsession, and revenge set on the hauntingly beautiful moors of England. 5. Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell. Set against the backdrop of the American Civil War, it tells the story of Scarlett O'Hara's passionate pursuit of love and survival. 6. Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy. An epic novel exploring the consequences of forbidden love in 19th-century Russian society. 7. Outlander by Diana Gabaldon. A gripping time travel romance that transports readers to 18th-century Scotland, blending history, adventure, and enduring love. 8. The Notebook by Nicholas Sparks. A poignant and heartwarming story of everlasting love that transcends time and challenges. 9. Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. Austen's tale of two contrasting sisters navigating the complexities of romance and societal expectations. 10. The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. A lyrical novel capturing the essence of the jazz age and the elusive nature of unrequited love. 11. The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. A tender and bittersweet tale of young love between two teenagers grappling with the challenges of illness. 12. The Time Traveler's Wife by Audrey Niffenegger. A unique love story that transcends time, following the journey of a man with a genetic disorder that causes him to time travel. 13. Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. A thought-provoking novel exploring the transformative power of love and the complexities of relationships in the face of life-altering circumstances. 14. The Thornbirds by Colleen McCullough. A sweeping saga of forbidden love set in the Australian outback, spanning generations. 15. Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. A psychological thriller that delves into the dark intricacies of a troubled marriage and the deception that lies beneath the surface. 16. The Bridges of Madison County by Robert James Waller. A tale of an unexpected and passionate love affair that changes the lives of two individuals forever. 17. The Hating Game by Sally Thorne. A delightful enemies to lovers workplace romance filled with witty banter and undeniable chemistry. 18. Love in the Time of Cholera by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Marquez's masterpiece of love and longing, exploring the endurance of true love over time and distance. 19. The Princess Bride by William Goldman. A whimsical and adventurous story that combines romance, fantasy, and humor in a tale of true love and daring escapades. 20. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. A captivating and spiritual allegorical novel about a young shepherd's journey to find his destiny and the power of love and personal transformation. As we reach the end of this captivating video, we invite you to take the next step on this journey of love. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our community that celebrates the beauty of connection, the power of love, and the joy of relationships. By subscribing, you'll receive regular doses of inspiration, heartfelt stories, and practical advice to enrich your relationships and infuse your life with love's radiant energy. Thanks for watching.